Hold the barbell nice and tight, and when you get in the machine, be careful. Watch how you don't fall. Put one leg at a time through the center of where your feet are supposed to go. Beautiful. From that position, you have a seat straight down. You'll roll down and sit. Good. Okay, lie down and push up the barbell while you're lying down. Keep your wrists straight, lock your shoulders down. You want to bring the barbell down to right under your chest. You could go all the way down on this exercise. Go ahead, push up. Perfect. Breathe in on the way down, blow out on the way up. Keep your neck face nice and straight. Look up. Keep your elbows lined up to where the barbell is. Okay, so you're going to, perfect. You don't want to keep your elbows going back or too much forward. Look at her wrists. They're nice and straight. They're not bent around. To determine how wide you hold the barbell, make sure when you come down, your arm is in a 90-degree angle. If it's not, you're holding it too close or too wide.